Okay, year 10, realised the only volume I never taught you how to do was the volume of a cone. So this is a quick tutorial on that. We're not going to do too much writing. It's mainly just going to be, what am I doing? So the formula to find volume for a cone is a little bit different from my stock standard formulas for volume. Mainly we talk about the area of, to work out volume, we find, the area of the cross section and multiply it by the height. So with this cylinder here, I'd just find the area of that circle, so pi r squared, and I'd times it by the height. It's pretty straightforward. That's the shape that goes the same way throughout it. But if you'll notice with a cone, there isn't actually a cross section. There isn't actually a section that goes all the way throughout it. It's kind of like, a cylinder's kind of like a cone, but I just have to do this bit up here. And if I do that like that, okay, it kind of looks like a cone shape now. It kind of looks like a cylinder now. A cone's kind of like a third of a cylinder, if you think about it. Yeah? And then this third in here, okay? A cone is a third of a cylinder. Therefore, roughly. Therefore, to work out its volume, what I have to do is I can't just go pi r squared times height. I actually have to go 1/3 of pi r squared times the height in order to work out its volume. Okay, let me show you two examples. Okay, let's look at this example here. Okay, so it's 1/3 pi r squared times the height. So volume's going to equal 1/3 times pi times, what's the radius of my circle? Well, 8 centimeters times 8 squared times 18. I can plug that in on my calculator, okay? So I can either go 1 divided by 3 or I can use the fraction key, okay? And then I can times that by pi. And then I can times that by 8 squared. And then I can times that by the height. This will give me an answer of volume equals 1,206.371. That rounded to 2 decimal places is volume equals 1206.37. Now it's volume. Volume is always measured in what unit of measure? Sorry, in what way? My units is centimeters and volume is always cubed. Okay, so 1/3 times pi times my radius squared times the height. Okay, this one here, my volume equals 1/3 times pi times my radius was 3 centimeters squared times 12. Okay, it's 1/3 pi r squared times by the perpendicular height. Same as all my other shapes. Okay, and again, I jump into my calculator. I write 1/3 times pi times 3 squared times 12. Okay, and I get an answer of 113.097. Okay, that 7 means that 9 needs to go up, which means that goes to 10. Volume equals 113.10. It's in centimeters, so centimeters cubed. And that's it, guys. That's your very quick tutorial on volume of a cone.